1946. And how I met him, I was in the same area where she was major of that big company there in Kankanara. And at that time I was just, in the women corps. And when I met him at that time, then I got married to him in 1946. And then we left there and went to Burma in 1947. We stayed there for 3 years. It was a very important adventure for me, I should say. We met so many important people like Mrs. Aung San, Thaksin Nu, and so many other important people. And I like Burma because, in those days after the war, everything were in very shambles, and we have to build up. My husband being the engineer, he is an electrical engineer and mechanical engineer. He looks after all the assets left by the military, American and British. So we were in Bahamo, in Mekchina, and Nimyo, and we went all over that Shan state area and Kachin state area and Burma itself. We went up to Burma. So it was in those days, it is important people. Then it was in the year 1950 that we knew about there is some company here in my land there, here in Kasil, West Kasil. So we thought that it's better not to extend the contract with the government of Burma, so we have to come back here to look after and to serve after this company for the Selamanite. So we left there in 1950 and we came straight here in Sunapahar. It was known as Sunapahar, but the original name is Malthinko. Sunapahar is only an Indian name because, so many people cannot pronounce our language. So there